Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make these really pretty hearts that I use for one of my buntings. If you know the basic crochet stitches, it should be pretty easy to follow, but I will make a video at some stage for beginners. For this tutorial you'll need a pair of scissors, a yarn needle. I'm using a 3.5mm hook and some cotton yarn. Okay, so to start you need to make a slip knot. And chain 4. And then yarn over twice and make a treble crochet in the first stitch. So you want to do 3 treble crochets. And then 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, and then a treble crochet. Yeah. So that's the point of the heart. And then we just do the other side. So you do 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. 3 treble crochets. 1, 2, 3, right, and 1 double crochet at the end. Pull it tight. And you just want to slip stitch into the center. Then chain 1, and at the top of the chain 4 you want to put 2 single crochets in there. 1, 2, and the next stitch you want to put 2 half double crochets. 1, 2, and the next one 2 double crochets. 1, 2, 2 half double crochets in the next. 1, 2, and then you have put a single crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. And then in the point you want to put a single crochet, a double crochet, and another single crochet. Right, and then you want to do the same up the other side. So 3 single crochets, 1, 2, 3, 2 half double crochets in the next, 2 double crochets in the next stitch, 2 half double crochets in the next, and 2 single crochets in the last stitch. Then you want to slip stitch back into the center again, pull it tight, and in the last row you want to do 1 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in the next stitch, and then you want to do 5 single crochet increases. So it's 10 stitches in total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then do 5 single crochets, 1 in each of these 5 stitches. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you're at the point you want to do the same as you did last time. So 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet, and 1 single crochet, and then the same up this side. So 5 single crochets, 1 in each of the next stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 5 single crochet increases, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then, oh, that one went in the wrong spot. 10 in that one, and then 2 single crochets, 1 in each stitch. 1, 2, and you just slip stitch in there. And if you're making a bunting, just chain 1 and you pull up that loop there. Cut the yarn. You just put your finger in the loop and knot the 2 ends together. And then I just hide the yarn in the first row and cut it. There we go. Got a whole bunch of them. Thank you for watching.